Ever wondered what exactly sets one bank apart from another? You see all the big names, like Westpac, thrown around in financial news, but what does it actually mean for them to be a trading bank? It's a fair question, because the financial world can feel like its own language sometimes. Think about it. You have banks where you deposit your salary, take out a loan for a car, maybe even get a mortgage. These are the everyday interactions most of us have. But then you hear terms like investment banking, merchant banking, and, yes, trading bank. So, where does a giant like Westpac fit into this picture? To understand if Westpac is a trading bank, we first need to understand what a trading bank is. Traditionally, the term trading bank referred to institutions whose primary business revolved around facilitating trade. This meant things like accepting deposits, providing short-term loans to finance imports and exports, dealing in foreign exchange, and issuing letters of credit, essentially oiling the wheels of international commerce. Now, let's look at Westpac. Founded in Australia and with a significant presence in New Zealand and the Pacific, Westpac has a long and rich history. Over its many years of operation, it has certainly been involved in facilitating trade, particularly given the importance of international commerce to the economies it serves. You'll find evidence of this in their offerings, which include services like trade finance, foreign exchange solutions, and international payments. These are all classic hallmarks of a trading bank. However, the financial landscape has evolved dramatically. The lines between different types of financial institutions have blurred significantly. Many large banks today offer a wide spectrum of services, encompassing retail banking, commercial lending, investment banking activities, like underwriting and mergers and acquisitions advice, and yes, trading in financial markets. So, while Westpac undeniably engages in activities that fall under the umbrella of a trading bank, facilitating international trade and dealing in currencies, for example, it's more accurate to describe it as a major financial institution or a full-service bank. Its operations extend far beyond the traditional definition of a pure trading bank. They provide a vast array of services to individuals, businesses, and institutions, covering everything from savings accounts and credit cards to complex financial instruments and wealth management. Think of it like this: while a Swiss Army knife has a blade, essential for cutting, it also has a screwdriver, a bottle opener, and a saw. The blade is a core function, but it's just one part of a much more versatile tool. Similarly, facilitating trade might be a significant aspect of Westpac's business, rooted in its history, but it's integrated within a much broader range of financial services. Therefore, while you might find historical references or specific departments within Westpac that operate with the characteristics of a trading bank, labeling the entire institution solely as a trading bank wouldn't fully capture the scope and complexity of its current operations. It's a key player in facilitating trade, absolutely, but it's also so much more. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.